Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change piece sound on chess.com. So I was playing on chess.com the other day and noticed something kind of fun. You can actually change the sound effects when pieces move, and it completely changes the feel of the game. So I went into my account while logged in, clicked the settings cog on the lower left corner, then opened all settings, and from there, I navigated into the board and pieces section where most of the customization lives, and once that loaded, I scrolled down to find the sound theme option, which is basically where all the different move sounds are stored. And honestly, I didn't expect so many choices like metal, marble space, even silly event theme sounds, so I started previewing them one by one just by clicking to test how each move would sound. And it's actually kind of addictive because each one gives the game a different vibe. And once I found the one I like, I just selected it and hit Save Sound Theme, and right away the new piece movement sound was active, making the whole game feel a lot more personalized and surprisingly more fun than I expected from just a simple setting change. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.